Max is using some of his senses today.
I taste with my tongue. Tap the tongue. I want to taste watermelon. Feed me the watermelon. Yummy. I touch with my hands. Tap the hands. I want to touch the smooth apple. Tap the apple. What a smooth apple! Sing and dance with me.
Use your senses day and night. Tongue to taste, hands to touch. In the kitchen it's alright. Taste and touch, you'll learn so much.
Time to taste. This fruit is sweet. What did I taste? Super! The orange is sweet. This drink is sour. What did I taste? Yes! The lemonade is sour. This food is salty. What did I taste? Well done! The sausage is salty.
I eat an orange, it tastes sweet, 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 sweet. I drink lemonade, it tastes sour, sour, sour. Well, I eat a sausage, it tastes salty, 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 salty. Tasting things one by one. One.
Touch the mug. The mug feels very hot. Touch the ice. The ice feels very cold. Touch the bread. The bread feels soft. Touch the tap. Touch the tap that can give you water. The tap feels hard.
I touch some ice, it feels cold, 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 cold. I hold a mug, it feels hot, 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 hot. I touch the tap, it feels hard, 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 hard. I squish the bread, it feels soft, 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 soft.
Touch the food. Move it to my mouth.
Ready, set, go.
This bread is so a salty sauce. This bread is sweet orange. Salty sauce. Soft bread. Sweet orange. I like the taste. This sweet. I like the taste. This sweet orange. I taste a refresh. This tastes like. I taste a refreshing. This sweet or I like the taste. This tastes like a great salty. I taste a refreshing cold ice. This sweet orange. I like the taste of this soft. I taste a refreshing. This tastes like a. I taste a refresh. This sweet orange. I like the taste. This tastes like a. I taste a refresh. This sweet or. This tastes like a. I taste a refresh. This tastes like a. I taste a refresh. I like the taste. This sweet or. I like the taste of this soft bread. This tastes like a great.
Time's up.
Nice! I tasted different kinds of foods today. Sing and dance with me.
Use your senses, day and night. Tongue to taste, hands to touch in the kitchen. It's alright. Taste and touch, you'll learn so much. Learning with our senses is just right.
Find all the things you can touch and taste today. Bye-bye.